Hey everybody, Mike here with Tri Delta. So I'm stopping by the office before we head a little bit south to take a look at an air conditioning unit. It is currently 64 degrees. It is overcast. We just got a little bit of rain that ran through. So hopefully we'll be dry. Still a little bit cold out, but nevertheless, we're going to take a look at this air conditioner. Homeowner tells me that the unit is operating, but only producing room temperature air. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with you. All right, so I'm gonna clean this coil to try to get the cottonwood off the front of it. This is not the best way to do a deep cleaning, but I am kind of at a disadvantage here. We're just gonna get the surface stuff off. If I spray this at a 45-degree angle, it tends to push the cottonwood outward. If I still have a high head pressure, then I'm gonna go ahead and recommend that we do a deep cleaning on it and go from there. 17 hours later. Looks pretty good, right? So I'm gonna include some video when I edit the, what do I call that? Clips? Yeah, when I edit the clips, I have I took video of the top where the water's going through the coils. So yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, got my probes connected. We do have some refrigerant in the system, so let's get some clamps on her. Now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to go inside. This is the Goodman unit that you could add the TXV to the outside of the evaporator coil. Nah, compressor's not coming on. Alright. Yeah, no compressor. We got ourselves a bad capacitor. Alright, let's test from. Give me something. Really? Nothing? I know the fan works. 4.8 on the fan. Nothing on the hermetic. Let me go inform the homeowner. See what they want to do. We'll go from there. Red and there we go. What's the weather for Charlotte, Michigan?
It's currently cloudy and 59 degrees in Charlotte, Michigan.
Alright, 59 degrees, Charlotte, that's where we're located right now, so I'm not going to run this unit for much longer than this. It's really too cold to run it. So we got the capacitor replaced, we got the coils cleaned out, we're getting good airflow, but it's just too darn cold to test. So we're going to call this one good, and I'll catch you guys out on the next one.